What's up, my fashionistas, and welcome back to Lanika Fashionistic Core channel. So I know this is my first video for 2020. Yeah, you know, but I am so glad to be back, and this will be my first video, and from now on I just wanted to put it out there. From now on, every week I will be posting a fashion DIY or styling videos, so please turn your notifications on. And also, I am trying to gain 1,000 subscribers for my channel. I mean, I have my goal where I'm trying to reach 5,000, but you know, you gotta take it a step at a time. So right now my first aim is 1,000, so please share some love. I'm trying to show everyone my skill, my talents, what I'm capable of. I really want to share that with the world. It's something that inspires me, and oh, I'm so crazy about it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this rhinestone top. It is so easy, and anyone, and I mean anyone, can make this top in under 15 minutes. Anyways, enough talking, let's go jump into the video, and I hope you guys like it, and stay tuned for the end for a very special giveaway. Let's go. Thank you so much for staying tuned to the end and watching my video. I so much appreciate, like a lot, from the bottom of my heart. It like means a lot to me. You have no idea. Yes, the giveaway. So the giveaway is I will be giving this rhinestone top to one lucky person. Now, in order to receive my rhinestone top as a gift, you have to do 3 things. First, you have to subscribe to my channel, and don't worry, I will know. 2, you have to be following me on my Instagram page. And 3, leave a comment down below saying I love your rhinestone top and I so want it. So it has to be those words. just like it says right here. Now I will be giving away this top in 2 weeks. I will be doing a raffle and one lucky person will be the winner, and after that I will send you an email. I will see you in my video next week, as they say in Jamaica. Later.